Tired of the summer heat making every day a struggle? Today, we are bringing you the ultimate lineup of 5 incredible handheld portable fans that will keep you cool and refreshed wherever you go. Whether you are commuting, heading to a concert, going on a summer vacation, or just relaxing at home, these fans are not just about air. They are about comfort, style, and functionality. We have carefully picked these products based on power, portability, battery life, and unique features that make them stand out. Stick around because if you are looking for the perfect summer companion or a thoughtful gift idea, you are in the right place. First up is the Gisulife Handheld Mini Fan, a compact fan, flashlight, and power bank all in one sleek device. This versatile gadget works for up to 19 hours on a full charge and fits right in your pocket, making it an excellent companion for travel, outdoor fun, daily commuting, or concerts. It features a smart foldable design. Use it as a handheld fan with a 180-degree fold, or set it up as a desktop fan at a 270-degree angle. The hidden blades are not only safe but also help with compact storage. The built-in flashlight is a lifesaver during nighttime walks, and the emergency power bank can charge your mobile phone in unexpected situations. With simple button controls, switching between fan speeds and the flashlight is effortless. Designed in a charming pink color with smooth finishes, this fan combines elegance with functionality. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful gift, this 3-in-1 mini fan is a summer essential you should not miss. Second on our list is the Gaiatop Mini Portable Fan, a combination of powerful airflow and adorable design. Weighing only 0.26 pounds, it is incredibly lightweight and portable. Perfect to slip into your handbag, pocket, or travel kit. Do not be fooled by its size. This fan has a powerful brushless motor capable of generating strong wind. It offers 3 adjustable speeds: low at 3,500 revolutions per minute, medium at 4,500 revolutions per minute, and high at an impressive 7,500 revolutions per minute. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a powerful gust, this fan adapts to your needs. It includes a base that converts it into a steady desktop fan and a universal serial bus cable for easy recharging. It works while charging, so there is no downtime. Its Climate Partner certification also makes it a more sustainable choice, so you can stay cool and feel good about it. From travel days to desk work, this fan delivers consistent cooling and a whole lot of charm. Number 3 is the Sweetful Handheld Portable Fan, a premium choice for tech lovers. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers between 5 to 20 hours of usage based on the selected speed. Despite its power, it operates at a whisper-quiet level under 15 decibels, making it ideal for use in offices, bedrooms, or libraries. The built-in light-emitting diode display shows both the current fan speed and the remaining battery level, allowing for precise control. It features 6 adjustable wind settings, ensuring that your cooling experience is always just right for your environment. This fan is also foldable for convenient transport and can be handheld, placed on a tabletop, or worn around the neck using the included strap. Plus, it doubles as a backup power bank, capable of charging your mobile phone or other devices in emergencies. The detachable front cover allows for easy cleaning, making this fan low maintenance and user-friendly. Number 4 is the Ultralent Mini Portable Fan, designed for those who are always on the go. It is powered by a 2,600 mAh battery, providing between 3 to 16 hours of continuous airflow depending on the selected speed. The fan features an upgraded brushless motor that enhances performance, extends lifespan, and allows for airflow up to 5.8 meters per second. Whether you are at a music festival, on public transport, or in the park, this fan will keep you cool and comfortable. It offers 4 wind speed settings to suit different situations. The textured non-slip handle ensures a firm grip, and the included wrist strap adds an extra layer of security while you are moving. Despite its solid performance, the fan weighs just 6.27 ounces. It is compact, easy to carry, and simple to use, making it ideal for travelers, office workers, and anyone needing relief from the heat. Last but certainly not least is the iCooly Slim Portable Fan. The definition of elegance meets utility. Designed with portability in mind, its ultra-thin profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry anywhere. Whether you are on a vacation or heading to work, it fits snugly in your pocket, purse, or even your hand. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful cooling for up to 17 hours on a single charge. You can choose from 3 airflow settings to customize your comfort. Its wide blade surface ensures strong yet evenly distributed wind, offering relief even in open or shared spaces. The foldable design transforms it from a handheld fan into a stable desktop unit, giving you versatility at home, in the office, or on the move. With its modern beige finish and quiet operation, the iCooly fan makes for a thoughtful and stylish gift. If you are looking for a fan that performs well and looks even better, this one checks all the boxes. Which one of these fans is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more cool reviews, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. All product links are listed in the description below, so do not forget to check them out.